How to download and install Skylight social app. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open the App Store in your mobile device. Once you open the application, all you have to do is simply go ahead and tap on the search icon, and then in the search bar search for Skylight. Once you type it in, you'll be able to find right over here. Tap onto it. Then in order to download it, tap on Get. And if prompted, you want to use your Face ID or your password to ensure that you would like to download this application. And just like so, once you tap on Get, the downloading will get started. Wait for the downloading to get completed. And once it is completed, if you would like to open it up, tap on Open. And just like so, you will then be able to download and install Skylight social app. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.